Figures, as you rightly mentioned, right? 90 percentile was 45 marks, 95 percentile was approximately 57 marks, 99 is 78 marks, 99.9 is 102, 105 is 99.95, 98 is 115, and
Hmm.
99.99 is 120.
120.
Right.
Perfect.
To answer your first question, to move from a 99 to a 99.99 level candidate, which is 120 marks, your verbal itself needs to be 60. Okay. I clearly remember the scorecard of one of the students. 60 marks in verbal ability, 22.22 in DILR, and around 38 marks in quantitative aptitude. That was 120.
Hmm.
Okay. So when people are just aiming, I want to get 95 percentile overall, this guy is getting 95 percentile overall in one section itself. So unless verbal ability is greater than 50 marks, dreams of IIM Ahmedabad is sort of over then and there for a general category candidate, right?
Hmm. Hmm.
Statistically speaking, in general category, IIM Ahmedabad gives 645 calls for 197 converts.
Hmm.
So if you have to convert IIM Ahmedabad, that means you have to be one of the top 197 candidates, give or take the doctors, the chartered accountants, blah, blah, blah. Let's take around 150 candidates. 150 candidates is 99.94 percentile,
Hmm.
approximately. Because 2,85,000 take the CAT, 99.9 will be achieved by 285 people, 150 तक हमें आना है, तो 99.94 लाना पड़ेगा, that is 104. तो आपका वर्बल प्रिपरेशन किस लेवल पे है, दैट इज गोइंग टू डिटरमाइन वेदर यू आर गोइंग टू गो टू आईआईएम स्मॉल ए और आईआईएम कैपिटल ए, राइट?
Hmm.
अमृतसर टू अहमदाबाद.
True that.
Coming to the second point, DILR and quant, max to max. If you are somebody, like Prantik has been one of my best students. Okay, if you are somebody of his caliber, then maybe you can pull 60 marks in those two sections combined. Why? 99 percentile in DILR is 27 marks.
Hmm.
99 percentile in quant is 25 marks. 99.9 in quant is 33 marks. And 35 is 99.9 in DILR. तो
Hmm.
35 32 अगर हम ऐड भी कर लेते हैं, दैट इज 67 मार्क्स एट ऑल इंडिया रैंक 285 लेवल. इसका मतलब अगर आप उस लेवल के कैंडिडेट हो, तब जाके आपको वर्बल में 25 मार्क्स लगेंगे. अब आप खुद कैलकुलेट कर लीजिए दैट वेदर यू आर वन ऑफ दोस 285 कैंडिडेट्स और नो. ओके, द प्रोबेबिलिटी इज एक्सट्रीमली लो. इफ आई टेक टोटल अमाउंट ऑफ कैट कैंडिडेट्स, 0.1 परसेंटाइल पे बात आ जाती है. सो your biggest focus at this point of time has to be to maximize verbal ability. Push it to 45. Push it to 45 anyhow. Okay. DILR solve two sets. Two sets is what? 30 marks. 45 30 75 marks आ गए. Quant,
Hmm.
let's be very honest, and this was my cat. 2024 cat is going to be 2018 cat because it's set by IIM Calcutta.
Hmm.
Nightmare for quant, पहले ही बता रहा हूँ. Okay, huge work on Mega Mam's hand, Prantik's hand and Preet's hand. मैं तो बच गया.
Their hand as well.
हाँ, their hand also. You and I are safe. हमारा काम कुछ नहीं है यहाँ पर. Okay, these three have to take on the brunt.